Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you the moving text tutorial on CapCut. So here I'm just using a black background like this, but if you want to add it to your video, you can just do that. So first what you need to do is add your text. So go to text, add your text. I'm going to go with hi guys. Okay, click on a check icon when you're done, or you can also change the font first. Okay, I'm going to use the public sans, and then click on a check icon. Okay, after that you can just export your video. Click on done, and then click on new project and add the previous video that you exported, this one's right here, and then just go to effects, video effects, and then just swipe until you find the retro options here, and then here you can just scroll down until you find the jumpy film option, this one's right here. Click on adjust and set the filter and also the texture into 0, and set the speed and intensity to just 50 like this. Click on check icon, and here is the result for the moving text. Okay guys, so that's all for me. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If you got any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment, and if you think the video is helpful, don't forget to click thanks, like, subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Thank you.